Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question, can I replace a variable annuity with a fixed index annuity? The answer is yes. When you are considering a replacement, there is what's called a suitability team with every insurance company, and they're kind of the gatekeepers to decide whether the insurance company should allow you to replace one annuity with a new one. And one of the main reasons they're there is to make sure that the client that is replacing their current annuity with a new one is in a better spot long term. So in this case, taking the money out of the market and replacing it with a fixed index annuity for safe growth is a reason for the suitability. It's a good reason the suitability team will allow the replacement, because they're getting rid of that exposure in addition to reducing their fees almost by a third, and just protecting from any sort of losses. If you're currently in a variable annuity and you've taken a loss, be sure to look at a bonus annuity. A bonus annuity will give you basically a sign-on bonus, and that'll help offset some of the loss. If you are looking for lifetime income from an annuity, look, if you're looking for income, a bonus annuity shouldn't be a big deal. You should be able to get a bonus to offset the loss, put you ahead, and then taking a lifetime income in the future. Upside potential is kind of a secondary motivation in most cases, because most folks who want lifetime income want the highest payment. And usually if you have a bonus annuity with a lifetime income rider, the upside stinks because you're giving up something to gain something somewhere else. But yeah, that's a long-winded way of saying, yeah, you can replace a variable annuity with a fixed index annuity. It's pretty easy to do. What most insurance companies want to see is that you've been in the variable annuity for a minimum of 3 years. So keep that in mind. If you've just bought a variable annuity, you're in it for a year and you want to get out of it, you're going to have a tough time. So just know that. Okay, so that answers that question. If you have any questions, like, subscribe, leave a comment below and I'll answer it, and then we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.